The Pasig Revolt was an uprising against Spanish rules based monopoly led by Pedro Mateo and Salorogo Ambaristo.
Hello and mabuhay! Welcome to St. Paris Church in Pigdig, Ilocos Norte. Baroque church known for its stunning facade, inspired by the Christian Church of Il Gesso in Rome.
The church is located on a hill and features a central stairway, stone and brick fences, and a central retablo with the image of its patron saint, Saint Anne.
In the heart of Pigdig, Ilocos Norte, stands a majestic testament to faith and enduring history.
The Iglesia de Santa Ana de Pigdig or Pigdig Church, perched atop a hill, this ancient structure offers breathtaking views and a glimpse into the past. A grand staircase leads to the entrance, a symbol of the spiritual journey that awaits within. Thank you and mabuhay!